I'm Rohit Sharma, Chief Operating Officer at Abhi Bus. We all have gone through terrible times. All last 2 years were not so good for everyone. In fact, India is a loving nation and even hugs and kisses were weaponized. People were scared of traveling. But it's so exciting to see people now coming out and traveling. Abhi Bus is also trying to sort of give a small contribution to make people more excited to travel, more confident to travel. So we have done a few good things recently. Because Raksha Bandhan is coming, we have done something for women. We have launched something called Pink Seat, where women can book a seat, and the adjacent seats, the next seats will not be given to any male passengers, giving them some bit of confidence along with the SOS feature. Apart from that, we are providing the live bus tracking for all our buses so that you can see where your bus is. You don't have to wait. You can leave from home on time. In fact, if you cancel your bus tickets also, we are the only app which will give the refund within 2 minutes. So that's the comfort we are trying to give people so that they can find a few more reasons to come out. And obviously India is a beautiful country. There's so many things to explore. And in this beautiful monsoon season, we invite you to go out and travel with Abhi Bus. So we are growing very fast across the country. We have almost done 20x growth in UP, for example. We are doing very well on Delhi Manali, for example. Our Bombay Pune does very well. So I think we are doing almost more than 50% of our business from rest of India. Definitely AP, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu always has been our very strong market, and we are growing very fast in these markets, Kerala included. So I think it's we are a national brand, and it's a very, very big pride that out of Hyderabad we have developed such a brand which is growing fast and catering the travel needs of every Indian now. So we have a few new launches during this event at Prawaas 3.0. Phoenix is our latest software build which is focused towards the modern needs of the bus operators. The bus operators, it's a very difficult business because they compete within each other. They want to have an edge so that when they launch any new services, it should reflect on the websites fast. There should be cancellation handling also, complaint handling. So it's a complete software and a CRM tool which will enable the bus operators to have an edge over their competition and increase their sales also. Response is phenomenal. The response generally for Abhi Bus post-COVID is exceptional. The response of footfall here, I'm sure you have seen the other photos and videos on this channel. There are almost 10,000 people who have come to Prawaas. There is a huge amount of traction at our stall. You can see there are a lot of games being played. People are winning smartphones and earbuds and travel gadgets and all of that. So we invite you to see the amazing competition going on Abhi Bus stall here at High Techs.